Okay, so this is the third video. So now we're going to engrave these letters, right? Normally in this kind of thing we are normally referring as engraving, right? For that one you have option called add milling operation. Then you have where it is engraving, right? So we have engraving operation. Now in this case you have, in the technology you have 2D engraving and you have 3D engraving. This one is 3D engraving. Why? Because we have 3D surface, not 2D. If it is planar 2D, we can use 2D engraving option. But in this case, this is a 3D engraving, so you have to select the 3D engraving option. Right? Then geometry, we have to define the geometry. Right? Basically, that means we have to define all the boundaries. That means there are boundaries for the U, letter U, then there are boundaries for letter V, there are boundaries for letter A. Likewise, we have a lot of things that need to be selected. So we can see CAD model. So this is our CAD model. Right? Okay. Then engraving geometry, we have to define the geometry. Right? In this case you have to select the chains, right? So a chain list. Now what we can do, I can select one at a time. Select this one, right? And again this one, likewise, right? Likewise all the way up to right. Then it asks, do you want to change the close the chain? Yes, right. So this is one, chain one. Likewise you can select for VA. Likewise you can continue on, but this is taking a lot of time, but therefore let me just delete this one. I would say like this. I can go to multi-chain, right? Option multi-chain, then add, right? Then I can simply select these surfaces. Okay, I can say faces, right? Type faces. This one, this one, this one. Likewise all the letters, right? This, right? Then it going automatically select all the lines. Right? And say okay. So now you can see it select the all the lines, right? All the edges. Okay. So we have up to like 29 chains. Right? Okay, so that one is done. To see. Okay. So model is geometry selected, engraving all the chains are selected. Then we can go to tool, select a tool. For this one we have to select the engraving tool. We go below, you can see we have engraving. Right? So you can see the these diameters, right? What is, so this diameter is 6, tip diameter. So this tip diameter is 0.2. Right? And CL means the CL cutting length is 6 millimeter. I can just increase this one to maybe like 20 or so. Right? I'm increasing this because you can clearly see how it's happened, right? So then I can keep the other things later by default values. And I can keep this one as it is. Then levels, upper level, is 0, right? Because this is 3D engraving, this is the upper level 0, and we can define the lower level as up to this level. So see, engraving depth, so this engraving depth I'm going to say 0.2. later on you can increase this one and see, right? So you can see what is the depth is, right? Then technology, so again you have tool site. What is tool site? You can go to the geometry and see how the tool is going, right? Let me say center in this case, right? You can change it and see how it's, because it show me a very large diameter, but actually it is not. If you remember, it is 0.2, right? Then we can keep it. Then we can say fill area. Now we keep it this one. We can change this one later on and come and see what happened, right? Depth type, we change it to zigzag. Floor finish, we can give this floor finish. We don't need to give this one. We keep this the others in default. Later on we can come and change this thing. Can calculate and see what happened. So this is the tool path, right? This is the tool path. We run it. It's going to go all the way like that, right? Right, let me go solid verify and see what happened. Right. Okay. So what basically happening is it running the tool according to the tool path, right? That means around the letters. Right. So this is how it look like, right? See. Let me change. Let's say I want to remove the material in between, right? So we have material in here now, and here. So let's say I want to change. I want to change that one also. So what we can do is you can simply say fill area. Fill area. Then again you have several open hatch, contour, and middle line only likewise. So let's say contour. This one. Velocity value need a step over. Let's say 0.1. Right. 2. Go to solid verify. Right. I'm going to remove the material in the middle portion also. Right. So it will go, right? So you can try on the other options, right? If you check the rest material to that operation, it's taking time, right? So you can change that, all right? So see, and then just cancel this operation. Right, so that's how we can do the engraving part, right? Then there are other options. You can change this thing and see what happened, right? Offset, semi-finish, and everything is there, right? So later on you can play with this button, play with this option and see what happens, right? So I'm going to exit this one. Now what I need to do next is, if you remember, we have material from the bottom side, right? What we can do, we have to remove the, at this point we have to remove the part from the machine, right? Then turn it upside down, clamp it again on the machine, right? Define your another coordinate system, then do a facing operation, because you have material in the bottom side, remember, that means you have to mount the workpiece like this, right? Then define another work coordinate system, remove the material from the bottom side, that means now it is in the top side, right? So what we can do for that, we can we have to define another coordinate system. For that we can go to coordinate system, open, then we can say add, again I can select face, can select this surface and give me the box. Now remember, this is the box, this one, the first one is the box that that is drawn right now to show the boundary of the part. Then this one is our stock material, right? So I'm going to say pick origin, say this one. Again I can flip this one, I can flip around Z, right? Now it's okay, X okay, Y okay, Z okay. Okay, so my coordinate system is defined. So I can keep this one as default. Now you can see Mach 1 position 1, Mach 2 position 1, right? So I have two coordinate systems. Now so that's okay. Then what I need to do is I can give it a facing operation. Simply say milling operation face. Geometry, the same geometry, stock based geometry. Tool, I already have a tool, facing tool, which is 40mm facing tool. That means tool number 1, right? This one. So I can select that tool. Then I keep these settings, levels, upper level, I have to start from this level, right? Oh sorry, there's something I'm missing. So geometry, in the geometry you have to select your coordinate system. Now it is not Mach 1, it is Mach 2 1 position, right? Okay, then tool is okay, level, so I have to the level, my level need to be here, this one, right? Then face depth to be up to this point, 0. Then step down 5 millimeter, which is okay. Technology, we can go to, let's say, contour in this case. Then you can keep the other things default. See, take it some time. Then let me see it. Right, so okay, facing is done. Come and see technology. So okay, step down, that is also okay. So I can give it a flow offset 0.2, then finish the operation. Right. And the calculation and simulate. Go to solid verify. So you can see we have material here, right, on the top side, right? So already done most of the operation, right? Then we can remove this material, right? So now we have our finished product. Okay, let me see whether we can see the rest material. It will take some time to upgrade, right? So you can see our part, right? Still have red color in here. Maybe we need to do finishing operation, and again we have something in here. Something is missed, right? Maybe we have missed some of the surface operation. Maybe we have not selected this line. Let me see. Right. So others are seems to be fine. Let me see what is wrong. So we can go to edit and see. Finish. Okay, finish flow. Let me see this one. No, that's not going to work. Finishing is done. Okay, this should be okay. Yeah, so that is okay. And so we have the finishing run, and that will be okay. Therefore, okay. We still have red color. We still have red color, but it's okay, I think, right? So I don't know why is that. Okay, so it's okay, right? It's almost okay, right? You can see it. Right. So the problem is in here. Let me see what happened. Can exit this one. Maybe we have missed in that in the HSS operation. Let me edit this one and see. Geometry, drive surfaces. Let me see the drive surfaces. Okay, drive surface is selected. That is not a problem. So area full, avoid cursor exact edges. We can check this one and see. So maybe we can change this one to linear. Okay, we have the path, right? You can see the tool is going in this case, but something is happening. Now it's okay, right? Let's see. Right, so this way, so you can complete the path. Exit. What do you see? So you can see now it's this one is changes now. You can see there's a black dot. That means it is not calculated. So you can see calculate again. Okay, now it's okay. Let me simulate it. Go to this material and check. Okay, now it's okay, right? And this one is okay. All the sides are okay. This the final part, right? So likewise, you can work on this example. Then you can try on your own. There's another part number 5. It's a bit more complex, but the operation are almost same. You can try that part your own, right? Okay.